So this cooking video is going to be one of those weird and wonderful occasions because we're going to be using these. These are Razor Clams. It's one of my favourite bits of seafood out there. They're delicious. A lot of people wouldn't know what to do with them, so we're going to be making it nice and easy for you. We're going to fry some chorizo. We're going to turn that into a slow braised tomato sauce. We're going to get the Razor Clams in there, get them steamed, cooked, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of Gremolata. So, have fun, get cooking. So, first things first, hot pan, your olive oil. We've got a little bit of sliced red onion here. You can tell your pan's nice and hot because that is already sizzling away. Chuck in your sliced garlic. A nice pinch of sea salt. Next up, straight in with your chorizo. So your chorizo is one of the big flavour elements here. It's hot, it's smoky, and it just really brings to life the tomato sauce. So turn up your heat a little bit. A good splash of white wine. Juice that white wine. Burn off all the alcohol content. About half a tin of chopped tomatoes. Mix that in like so. And yet again, just let that further reduce. You can just start to get a bit of lemon zest in there. And you can reserve some of the zest for your Gremolata later. In goes some of your oregano, and what I like to do is just pick off the whole leaves from the sprig. So now it's time to go in with the Razor Clams. So we're going to give them a gentle season, a little bit of sea salt. We're going to get them straight in the pan. There's a little bit of juice there, so just get that in. So your Razor Clams are in. Turn up the heat. A couple of knobs of butter. And just let that naturally melt and emulsify into the sauce. So another cool little crafty trick is, if you don't have a lid for your pan, what you can do is just turn over your Razor Clams and let the shell act as a little lid. And the last final addition, just drizzle over that double cream. So you've heard me mention Gremolata, and you might not know what that is. Gremolata is like a little garnish, a little finishing touch to your dish. So mine is just breadcrumbs, garlic, lemon and herbs. You can make it many different ways. You can add a bit of Parmesan cheese or anything you like, so it's completely up to you. All I want to do is just give this a little toasting. So hot pan, in goes your Gremolata, just while your clams are finishing off, and you just want to give it a little toast in the pan. So with a spoon, just toss it around a little bit. It's also going to help the lemon and garlic just bring out some body of flavour. My bit of advice to you is, when you see it starting to go brown, just turn off the heat, give it a gentle toss, and just leave it until you're ready to serve. So here we have it, our Razor Clams, cooked in our Chorizo slow braised tomato sauce. You couldn't ask for anything more. It's rich, it's refined, it's creamy, and it's all round delicious.